Welcome to our math class. Today we're going to study Module 6. Okay, so what have you noticed in our screen? What do you see? Okay, so there are students lining up in front of teacher. Okay, so this has something to do with our lesson for today. And our objective is we're going to identify, read, and write the ordinal numbers from first to 100th. Okay, so I have here the names of the pupils who are in a line. We have here Jazz, Ren, Liz, Rose, and Tin. Okay, so my question from teacher. Okay, so mula kay teacher, who is in the position of first? Okay, I know you can see it. The first one is Jazz. How about the second? Yes, it is Ren. The third. Okay, Liz is there on the third position. And on the fourth, we have Rose. And the last one, which is the fifth position, is Tin. Okay? So, I hope you answered all of them correctly. And now, we have here our lesson for today. Ordinal numbers. When we say ordinal numbers, they tell the order, okay, or the position of something or someone in a list from a given point of reference. Okay, so from here in the picture, who do you think is the point of reference? Okay, the point of reference is teacher. Okay, so from her, the order in a line is shown, in which Jazz is the first, Ren is the second, Liz is the third, Rose is the fourth, and Tin is the fifth. Okay? So, ordinal numbers can be written both in words and in symbols. We have here first, and the symbol is 1, S, T. Second, 2, and D. Third, 3, R, D. Fourth, 40, H, and so on and so forth. So, okay, my question, how do you think ordinal symbols were written? Okay, we have there a numeral, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And what else? What do we have there? Okay, we have letters. Where do you think the S and T come from? Saan sila nanggaling? Okay? Do you have an idea where do letter S and letter T come from? Okay, they come from the word first. How about ND? Okay, they come from the word second. RD come from the word third. Okay? So, meaning to say, in ordinal symbols, the last two letters here, the last two letters of the ordinal word are added in the numeral. For example, first, so it is the number 1, and then the last two letters we have ST. Second, that's number 2, and the last two letters of second are ND. Okay? How about teacher 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th? Okay, in the same manner, we have here TH in all of their ending because the ordinal words from 4th to 10th, all of them end with TH. Okay? So, ang tatandaan mo lang dyan, kapag first, ST. Kapag second, ND. Kapag third, RD. At mula kay fourth hanggang kay 100, ay TH na daw. Oops! Pero meron pa dyan sa yung reminder si teacher. How about if we have here 11? Okay, ayan, TH pa rin. 12th. Okay, we have here 12 and then TH. 13, TH pa rin hanggang kay 20. Paano naman to? We have here 21st. Paano doing 21st, 20 at saka first? Okay. So, di ba si 21st, kapag numeral yan, we have there 21. And then, the last two letters of the word 21st are, ano yung last two letters niya? We have here ST. So, we will also add ST. 22nd, the last two letters are ND, we will add ND, okay? 23rd, RD, we will add RD, okay? So, never, ever, ever write 21, okay? Walang ganito, 21. There is no such thing as 21. Wala rin tayong tinatawag na 22. Okay? Wala. We only have 21st, 22nd, 23rd. And then 24th, 25th, 26th. Diba? Ang pangit naman pag babasahin mo, Happy 21st birthday. Diba? Kailangan itatama natin yun. Instead of saying 21, we will say 21st. Okay? 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, and then 30th. Okay? Another one, we have 40th. Okay? From the word 40. Ayan, meron tayong change dito. Diba? Dati letter Y yan. Yung Y naging I at saka E. Okay? 40. Sulat nga natin. Wait lang ha. Dito. Ayan. Halimbawa, 40. Okay? From the word 40, ginawa siyang 40th. So, Y is changed into IE. Kasi hindi pwede 40th. Walang ganon. We will say 40th. Okay? So, 40th, we have here 40 and then TH, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, 90th, and 100. Okay. So, sa 100, meron din dyang TH. Okay? So, always remember all of this. Now, we have here numbers from 1st to 100. Okay? So, don't forget that each ordinal symbol is written by writing first the numeral and then the first or the last two letters of the ordinal word. Okay? So, herein you can see that the ordinal number is written 1 and then ST. Okay? So, I will show you here. There is an ST here, okay, on top of the number 1 on the upper right side. So, we call it the superscript. For example, we have here 1 and then ST. Okay, when the letters are written on the upper right corner, okay, upper right corner, dito pala, upper right corner of the numeral, okay, we call it the superscript. Okay, same with the ordinal number. Second, we have here the superscript ND. Third, we have here RD. Fourth, we have TH. Okay, until 100. Okay, so you may write them, their ordinal numbers, with their superscripts, using the last two letters of the ordinal word. Okay, do not forget that. Now, we have here activity time. For the activity number 1, all you need to do is to, let's try this. There's a picture of children lined up after one another. Read the name and the identification ID card number of each pupil below the picture. Okay, we have here John. And his ID number is 36,675. Anna, Peter, Sheila, Diego, Sophia, Wenzel, June, and Trisha, and Ace. Okay, so for us to know that who will line the first one based on their ID number, we will arrange them first. Okay, from lowest to highest. Okay, so let's try it. So, the first digit in the ID of John is 3, 4, 8, 6, 7, 5, 9, 1, 2, and 7. So, among these digits, which do you think is the lowest? 7, 2, 1, 9, 5, 7, 6, 8, 4, or 3. Okay, so the lowest digit is this. 1. So, the first pupil who will be on the line is June. Okay? So we will write the name of June here. And then we will also write his ID number, which is 19002. Okay? So all you need to do is do what we did. Okay? Just the same. Find the next ID number, which is next to June. 90,002. Okay. Which is the next one? Nasusunod kay 1. Is it 7, 2, 9, 5, 7, 6, 8, 4, or 3? Okay? So I know you can do it on your module. Okay? Next, we have here, yan. Who's the first daw? Diba kanina, we identified June as the first pupil. Okay? According to their ID number. You will fill this. You will answer this. You will write their names here. Once you already completed the name of the pupils. Okay? Okay, next we have the activity 2. Here in the activity 2, here are some numbers. You will change them into ordinal numbers by writing TH, RD, ND, or SD. So let's try the first one. We have here 31st. 31st. Okay, what do you think is the last 2 letters to complete the ordinal number? 31st. Okay, so the correct answer is ST. Okay, there we have 31st. How about 45th? 45th. Okay, do you know the answer? The correct answer is TH. Okay, so you will continue making the other numbers to make them ordinal numbers on your module. Okay? Okay, once again, this is the activity 3. You will complete the chart below by writing your answer on a separate sheet of paper. Okay? So we have here the word 11th. Okay? The missing ordinal number is 11th. So I know you can write it on the blank. Okay? Next, we have here my first 100 words. Okay, from the list of 100 words in this page, you consider the order of the reading downward. Okay, downward. From the left to the right, and then write the ordinal number of the following words below. Okay, from the left to the right, downward, pababa daw. So meaning we have a first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20th. Okay? So meaning to say, you're going to write first all the ordinal symbols of these words from first to this last word. Okay? So you can tell what is the ordinal number for the word there. So for example, where is there? There. Okay, there you go. So after writing all their ordinal symbols, you can finally determine the ordinal number for the word there. Okay? So do this on your module later. The end! And this is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you learned something, and thank you very much. Goodbye!